show you how to find old servers in Grow a Garden Roblox 2025. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now the methods to join an old server in Grow a Garden. So server browsing and manual joining. One of the simplest methods to find an old server is through the Roblox server list. Go to Grow a Garden game page, scroll down to the server section, click on load more servers several times. Look for servers with very few players or those that have been running for a long time. Sometimes an old server might be nearly empty because players left after the update rolled out. Clicking on servers with low player counts gives you a chance of landing in one that hasn't restarted yet. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.